Welcome, fellow car lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of three-row family SUVs from the magical land of Japan. On one side, we have a heavy hitter that's always chasing down the Toyota Highlander, and on the other, a scrappy contender that's easier on the wallet. Oh, intrigue. But first, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and ding that bell. Now let's get rolling. The 2025 Honda Pilot Black Edition is here to strut its stuff, and well, does it look sharp. Picture this, gloss black 20-inch wheels, blacked out trim, and Black Edition badges that scream, I mean business. Step inside, and it's like a tuxedo for your car, with embossed leather seats and Black Edition logos on the floor mats. Fancy, huh? This thing is ready to roll in style. And let's not forget the 2025 Nissan Pathfinder. Nissan's rolling out the red carpet with their maintenance care plan. 3 free oil changes in the first 2 years or 24,000 miles. Sweet deal, right? Plus, the SV and Rock Creek trims now get a power lift gated. Something you used to have to splurge on the higher trims for. It's like a gift that keeps on giving. So let's talk about the 2025 Honda Pilot. This baby is rocking 3.5-liter V6 engine with 285 horsepower, smooth, reliable, and perfect for hauling around all those snack-loving yiddas. You can get it in front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, depending on how many donuts you want to spin in the driveway. With combined MPG between 23 and 27, it's a real gas sipper for its size. And hey, the price isn't bad either. Starting at $40,200 and going up to $54,580 if you want the fancy bells and whistles. Now, here comes the 2025 Nissan Pathfinder. It's got a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine with 2 options. 284 horsepower for the basics or 285 for the Rock Creek edition. That's a spicy meatball. It's also got front-wheel or 4-wheel drive for all your adventure needs. Sure, it's a little thirstier on gas with 21 to 23 mpg, but it's priced to compete, starting at $37,070 and topping out at $51,810. Pretty sweet deal, huh? Okay, let's hit the highlights. The Pilot's got the Trailsport trim for off-road heroes. It comes with better suspension, more ground clearance, and even skid plates. Plus, heated seats, remote engine start, and some fancy features like power folding mirrors. So, one bummer about the Pilot is that the Trailsport trim doesn't pack any extra punch. It's got the same engine as the other trims. Meanwhile, the Pathfinder's Rock Creek edition flexes with more horsepower. That's like showing up to a pie-eating contest with a salad. And don't get me started on the digital instrument screen, 10.2 inches. The Pathfinder's got a big old 12.3-inch display. Oh, and the Pilot's interior, kinda boring. Now, the Pathfinder is no slouch. It can tow up to 6,000 pounds compared to the Pilot's 5,000-pound rating, which means boats, and it's got cool tech like a mobile app, dash cam, and even a cabin cam so you can catch the kids making faces at you in the back. Pathfinder. Wait, nope, not so fast. This thing's got some quirks that'll make you go Joe. First off, those stiff front seats. Great if you're aboard, not so much if you've got a butt. And no ambient lighting. Come on, even my living room has mood lighting. Lastly, it's got less interior space than the Honda Pilot. So here's the deal. If you want a roomier ride for family road trips or need something that can handle off-road adventures, go with the Pilot. But if you're looking for more towing power and some extra tech features for less cash, the Pathfinder's your pal. Now, what do you think? Are you Team Pilot or Team Pathfinder? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching.